Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we're reviewing the AmazFit T Rex 3. This watch is built for tough conditions. It's made for people who love the outdoors. And it brings strong hardware, great battery, and smart features. I've been using the T Rex 3 for 1 week. And I've tested it in every situation. Now, I'll share everything you need to know. Let's start with the design. The T Rex 3 looks rugged. It's bold, strong, and military-grade tested. It can handle extreme weather, water, and drops. It's made with reinforced materials. And it doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels solid on the wrist. But surprisingly, it's not too heavy. You can wear it all day without discomfort. It comes in a few color options. Each one looks sporty and stylish. There are physical buttons on the sides. They help you control the watch even with gloves on. The buttons feel tactile and responsive. They're great for outdoor use. The display is a 1.43-inch AMOLED. It's bright, sharp, and colorful. Even under sunlight, it's easy to read. You can choose from many watch faces. And the always-on display works well. It doesn't drain too much battery. The screen is protected by tempered glass. It's tough enough for rough use. The touch response is smooth. Swiping and tapping feels fast. The UI is simple and easy to learn. It doesn't have the most advanced animations. But everything runs well for the price. Let's talk about performance. The T Rex 3 runs on Zepp OS 3.0. It's AmazFit's own software platform. It's lightweight and optimized. You won't find lags or crashes. It's stable during everyday use. You can receive notifications from your phone. You can read messages, check calls, and control music. But you can't reply to messages from the watch. There's no mic or speaker, so no Bluetooth calls. This is a fitness-focused watch, not a full smartwatch. Still, for what it does, it performs well. The T Rex 3 supports over 150 sports modes. From running to hiking, cycling to strength training. There's also triathlon and multi-sport support. The GPS is accurate and fast. It connects quickly and tracks your routes well. You can also sync with fitness apps like Strava. It has dual-band GPS with 5 satellite systems. This means you get better location accuracy. Even in dense forests or cities, it works well. It's reliable during outdoor workouts. There are many health features too. You get 24/7 heart rate tracking, blood oxygen monitoring, stress tracking, sleep analysis, and PAI, personal activity intelligence. It takes all your data and gives you one simple score. This helps you understand your overall health. The sleep tracking is accurate. It breaks down deep, light, and REM sleep. It also tracks your breathing during sleep and gives helpful insights for improvement. You also get a Biotracker 4.0 sensor. It's more accurate than before. It uses more light to read your body. And it works better for dark or hairy skin. Battery life is one of its biggest strengths. It has a 475 mAh battery. With typical use, it lasts around 20 days. Even with GPS use, you can get 10 to 14 days. With battery saver mode, it can go up to 45 days. That's better than most smartwatches today. Charging is done with a magnetic cable. It takes around 1.5 to 2 hours to fully charge. Once charged, you don't need to worry for weeks. Let's talk about durability. The T Rex 3 passed 15 military-grade tests. It can survive -40 degrees Celsius cold and 70 degrees Celsius heat. It can handle shocks, ice, humidity, and salt spray. It has 10 atm water resistance. You can swim, shower, or go in the rain. It's built to survive harsh environments. There's a built-in compass and barometer. Also, an altimeter for tracking elevation. These tools are great for hikers and climbers. The watch also has offline maps support. You can preload maps through the Zepp app. Then use them during hikes without a phone. This is perfect for off-grid adventures. It also supports route import and navigation. You can upload a route and follow it on the watch. It gives turn alerts and keeps you on track. One thing missing is NFC support. There's no contactless payment on this model. Also, there's no third-party app support. You can't install Spotify or WhatsApp. But that helps the watch stay lightweight and power efficient. The Zepp app is your control center. You sync your data, manage settings, and view insights. The app is clean and detailed. It shows all your workouts, heart rate, sleep, and more. You can also set training goals. It supports structured workouts. And you can customize training plans. This is great if you're training for a marathon or race. The T Rex 3 also has a smart training recovery feature. It tells you how long to rest after hard workouts. This helps avoid overtraining and injury. You also get virtual pacer support. You can run at your own pace and get feedback. It makes training more focused. The watch also has a flashlight mode. Your screen turns white and bright. Useful in low light areas when you don't have a light. There's a breathing exercise tool. You can calm your stress with guided breathing. It's simple but helpful during busy days. Let's talk about the price. The AmazFit T Rex 3 is affordable. It's priced around $200 to $230 depending on region. For the features it offers, it's excellent value. Now let's compare it to other watches. Against the Garmin Instinct 2, the T Rex 3 is cheaper. It has a better screen, more sports modes, and longer battery. The Garmin has more pro training tools but costs more. Compared to the Apple Watch SE, the T Rex 3 lasts longer. Apple has more apps and calls, but shorter battery. If you care more about fitness and battery, go for T Rex versus the Galaxy Watch. 6. T Rex 3 wins on durability. Samsung's watch is smarter but less rugged. Again, the choice depends on your lifestyle. And now, who should buy the T Rex 3? If you love outdoor adventures, it's for you. If you want great battery and solid health tracking, it's for you. If you need a rugged watch under $250, it's perfect, but if you want advanced apps, calls, or payments, it's not for you. It's a fitness watch first, smartwatch second. In the end, the AmazFit T Rex 3 is a powerful tool. It looks tough, performs well, and lasts long. It's simple, reliable, and designed for action. And for the price, it's hard to beat. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.